What up, y'all? It's Q back here. Today, I here to tell y'all. Went on ahead and went to Goodwill today because I've been needing stuff, man, and my sales been very low. So I went to Goodwill and I picked up something at Dollar Tree when I went there. So let me go ahead and also had a sale. This was yesterday though, but I already shipped it off today. But it was I'll show y'all guys, but it was a digitizer touchscreen replacement. I ordered it originally for me for a tablet that I have to replace the screen, but I ended up getting the wrong size. So I ended up just putting it on eBay and listing it for $29.99 plus free. No, it wasn't free. It was plus shipping, and pretty much I just got my money back. I didn't really care making a profit. I think I got like a 85 cent or $1 something. I think $1.85 was a profit on it, but I wasn't trying to really get a profit. It was most likely to get my money back because the site that I got it from, they don't have no return. So I was pretty much on a loss. Well, not a loss, but I got the wrong part. So I ended up getting my money back. But that was all. But and it sold pretty quickly too. So I put it on there, I think 2 days ago, and sold pretty quickly. So I'm thinking I might look into more of the replacement screens and just see more of the market of it and see how that's selling right now. But anyways, let me go ahead and turn y'all around and get to the stuff that I got. Alright, the first thing here is these Crossword Pretzels. I was in Dollar Tree today and I was just going around scanning different things and just seeing what I could find. And I found some of these are kind of been selling a few times out of each month. So I'm gonna see how this is. I got 5 of them just to test the waters and see what I could do with them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put them all together or just lot them out by themselves, but they'll get it listed. Alright, now all the stuff that I got from Goodwill today. This is a Michael Bradley like figure. I got this for $5.49, and this is pretty much new. So and this is selling on eBay for about $30. So $5.49, $30 can't really beat. So that's that. Here, I paid for these digital optical cord cables $4.39. I looked these up and I didn't really actually see this particular brand. Actually, I think I did, and it was kind of iffy as far as the prices range of it. So I mean, I still got it. I mean, it's $4.39. I'm gonna check back on eBay again to see what's what. But other than that, I will get that listed. The next thing here is a knife sharpener, and I picked this up here for $5.49. And these are selling on eBay for about, I want to say $40 to $50. So I immediately picked that up, or it might have been about $38. So that's $5.49 in, and that'll be a good enough little profit there. So the next thing I got here is a Catalina. This is a outdoor wall lantern. So this is new in the box, and I didn't check it even though the box all messed up. But I got this for $8.99, and I believe this is selling on eBay for about $35, maybe $40. Could be between $30 and $40. So that's that. The next thing I got here is a Timex Clock. I looked this up, and these are actually selling for about between $30 and $40. I think maybe a little bit more, but yeah, I was surprised to see it. And I made sure it worked, plugged up, and it works. Got this for $5.49, and that would be a nice little profit listing that. The next thing I got here is just something. No, it was $1.99, but I looked up a couple listings. I've seen them, and I think they're selling probably about $15, maybe more. I think it was, if I'm not mistaken. I could be, but I think this is just like a wine stopper. I think you put it in the bottle maybe, I don't know. That's what I think it is. That's what I saw on eBay, but I could be wrong, could be right. But I'll get that figured out and listed. So next thing here is HP wireless. I mean, not wireless, but wired mouse. And I got a keyboard with it. So I put these together a lot and paid $3.29 for them. And I think it was selling for about between $15 to $20 on eBay. Maybe it better been 25 or 30 on this one. No, actually, I think it probably was 15, 20. This one here, I think was selling for 25 to 30. It's a Kensington keyboard, but I got this here for $2.19, so I immediately picked that up. And the last thing here is a Sony disc exchange system. You see, a 5-disc CD changer. I think I might have this model already on hand, listed, but I'm gonna check. But anyways, if I do, I got 2 of them. So I got paid for this. Price tag here. Oh, here we go. Paid $20 for it, $19.99. So I'll plug that up and it works. So I'm gonna have to put his disc in there and see if it fully works. So that's that. So that is it for today, y'all. So got some listing to do. Let's get this stuff listed probably pretty much today and see what else I can do. I'm running out of stuff, resources. I mean, I've been going to Goodwill, but I haven't been picking nothing up. So this is the first time for a couple of days. So and plus my sales are slow and I need the sales so I can get more product. So it's a little struggling right now, but it'll get back up. But till then, y'all, stay a student for life, learn from mistakes, everything will be all right. I'll see y'all later. Peace.